have today for you is Tillandsia. This is a very beautiful flower which originates in South America, Mexico and other tropical areas. And you can see it's basically got no root system. In nature, the roots that it forms serve to attach to tree trunks and other places, rocks. But in this case, it's growing in a light bulb kind of thing. So it only needs a tiny bit of water. And you can see it here. And it actually catches the nutrients and other stuff from the air. So if you don't like too much care for the plants, this is definitely a cool choice for you. So just pour a tiny bit of water and basically watch it grow. And this species which I have here is kind of nice and red, and it grows in a type of a light bulb pot. Here is a nice idea how to hang it in a kitchen or other place. Again, this flower or this plant is basically effortless. You just put a bit of water, it needs room temperature, and it will grow nicely and looks wonderful as well.